Hello everyone and welcome to this session. Today I am going to talk about IIM Ranchi's final placement report for 2025. But before I get going and talk about the placement report, let's first and foremost have a look at this great institution. So IIM Ranchi was established more than 1.5 decades back in 2009, and it was established along with Rohtak and Raipur. And in the last 1.5 decades, it has gone from strength to strength. And today, for sure, it is a dream destination for any MBA aspirant in India. Now, IIM Ranchi offers 3 MBA programs. They started off with Flagship regular MBA program, but after a few years, they started MBA HR program. In 2021, they went on to start MBA in Business Analytics program also. And all these programs, the students from all the 3 programs would have a common placement process in IIM Ranchi. So let's talk about the kind of placements that have happened in 2025. Now I'm going to cover each of these programs separately. So let's begin with their flagship program, which is MBA program. So number of students who were part of MBA batch of 2025 were 220 students. And these 220 students, they were recruited by 81 Indian and multinational companies. And these students, they secured 100% placements mark. Now, what do we mean by 100% placements? 100% placements means every single student should get placed. So at least they should get one job. Some talented students, some hardworking students, they may secure more than one job also, but minimum one job everybody should get. Then we say the business school has reached 100% placements mark. The average salary offered to these students was whopping 19.2 lakhs per annum. The median salary offered was also very impressive. It was 17.64 lakhs per annum. Right. As far as average salary of the top 25% of the batch goes, it was an amazing figure, more than 26 lakhs per annum. That means if one of the students was a hardworking student, a good achiever, if that person was in top 25%, then the average salary of that particular group of individuals was 26 lakhs per annum. The highest salary offered to the students was more than 50 lakhs per annum. And as I said earlier, there is a very good representation from wide array of companies. Now, the percentage of the batch who got PPO offers was almost 20%. Now, what do I mean by PPO? See, PPO means pre-placement offer. So, as part of the MBA program, after the first year gets over, the students undergo mandatory internship process. And during the internship, if their performance is good, the recruiter may offer them a pre-placement offer. That means you have a job ready for yourself and you can join the company after another year of your MBA program gets over. That's a huge advantage because it gives you so much of comfort that you already have secured a job. So almost 20% of the MBA batch had received PPOs. Now let's look at the sectoral breakup of these 220 students. So 37% of the batch, that means more than 1/3 of the batch, got placed in BFSI roles, that is banking, finance, insurance roles, and also, of course, fintech. Fintech also is part of it. So 37% is the lion's share. So majority of the students in IIM Ranchi have been placed in this domain. Another 6.6% received consulting offers, whereas e-commerce and technology-oriented roles were offered to almost 10% of the students, and FMCG offers were 5.5%. IT and ITES offers accounted for 8.6% of the job offers, whereas manufacturing sector offered 12.1% of the offers. Automobile sector had 6% of the job offers, and all the remaining sectors put together was little more than 14%. So this was the sectoral breakup for their MBA students. Now let's talk about the other 2 programs. So let's begin with MBA HR program. So if anybody desires to make a career in the field of human resource management, they will be interested in these figures. So IIM Ranchi operates a smaller batch for HR. They had 53 students in 2025, and the number of recruiters who came for recruitment for these 53 students were 26. The average salary offered was pretty impressive. It was more than 19 lakhs. Even the median salary was very good. It was 18 lakhs per annum. And the top 25% of this HR batch, they received an average salary of almost 23 lakhs per annum. And the highest salary that was offered to these students was more than 35 lakhs. And as far as the batch with PPO is concerned, 30% of these students had received PPOs at the end of their summer internships. So as you can see, even their MBA HR students had fabulous placement opportunities. Now let's talk about the final program that they have as far as a 2-year MBA program goes, which is MBA in Business Analytics. So MBA Business Analytics, there were 49 students in the batch, and to recruit these 49 students, 34 companies came for recruitment, and the average salary that they secured was almost 20 lakhs per annum. The median salary offered was more than 18 lakhs per annum, and the average salary for the top 25% of the batch was 26 lakhs per annum. The highest salary offered to these students was almost 28 lakhs per annum. And the percentage of the batch who received their PPOs was 21%. So again, as you can see, even MBA Business Analytics students, they had fabulous placement opportunities. So with this, IIM Ranchi has surely proven itself as one of the very good places to go for if someone is interested in pursuing MBA program. As far as list of recruiters are concerned, let me share with you some prominent recruiters. Again, this is not the exhaustive list. This is just an indicative list. So Accenture came for placements. Even Accenture Strategy also came for placements, and they gave very good consulting offers. Then Aditya Birla Group was fairly represented. Amazon also participated in the process. Bharat Petroleum came. Capgemini was there. Cognizant Technologies took part. Deloitte was there. Ernst & Young participated in the process. Godrej was there. HDFC, HSBC, L&T, ICICI. Then Samsung Research gave very good consulting offers. Tata Steel also participated. Texas Instruments also participated in the process. Vedanta came. Wells Fargo, Wipro. I mean, the list is pretty long, right? This is just an indicative list to give you an idea about the kind of recruiters who participated in the process. So there was a very good representation by variety of industries, and given the interest of a student had the freedom to choose a industry of his or her choice. So with this, IIM Ranchi has once again proven itself as a dream destination for any MBA aspirant in India. So with this, I have come to the end of this session. If you like the content of the video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel, because we regularly upload this kind of useful content, and do share this video with any friend or family member who may desire to pursue MBA program. Thank you everyone for watching this video.